Hey everybody, Thomas here. I'm going to try to shoot 2 videos in one afternoon after work. I think I can do it. This right here is a 4-ish foot long piece of cypress. The bell section down there, I actually moved it down a little bit farther to the left and everything so it wouldn't throw off my taper too much or anything. Long story short, this log is almost squared on the bottom. So I have a really good strong base to work off of. I want to cut probably all the way down to the pith from the top going down. We're going to go ahead and try 1.5 inch slabs. The blade I have on there, I just shot a video on the red elm. I did hit a little nail, but I don't think it's going to hurt anything. We're going to see kind of what it looks like, make sure it sounds okay. If the blade sounds like it's going to blow, it's either going to blow or maybe I'll change it out. We'll see. So without further ado, I'm going to throw in a time lapse, slab this thing down all the way to the halfway point at 1.5 inches, flip it over, do the same, show the end result at the end. Quick little video for your enjoyment. Stay tuned. Okay folks, so that went pretty well, but I've got to work on my Midwesterner sayings, I guess. I was 2 for 2, don't you know? So I cut that job earlier, or that log there, which took 14 minutes, and I cut this one here, which took 12 minutes with the blade change. I just shows you that the cypress is a little bit easier, and also the blade change out, like I said. But I'm also 2 for 2 because I hit 2 nails. I hit a nail in the red elm, and I hit a freaking nail right here too. It is what it is. But yeah, these turned out pretty nice. They don't smell as good as the red elm, I'll say that. I do like the smell of red elm, but these right here will be perfect for coffee. This is a coffee table. This is a coffee table. This, I mean, hell, there's probably at least 3 coffee tables here, and then some of that stuff could be maybe even like an epoxy table or something like that. Overall, very happy with the colors. This one right here would look better, obviously, on this side where you get some of this grain and everything, but I did want to showcase my fancy nail that I hit. Also, the log that's right here, this is what I cut over the weekend. This video, I got, I think like it was like 6 slabs or something like that, and then we had this large piece here that we can make into a mantle or one heck of a bar top. I'm leaning more and more to one heck of a bar top. So hopefully you found this interesting, exciting, you know, just informational, this, that, and the other. These I'm thinking might be something good to bring up to Wisconsin, because who in Wisconsin has cypress? This is something we get down here in southern Mississippi and, you know, Tennessee and Alabama, anywhere there's like these swamps or everything. So I don't know, maybe I'll bring some of these up to Wisconsin when we move up there and play around with. But I'm very happy the way this turned out. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you around. The channel is growing. I do appreciate that, and I will do a couple builds of these. And like I said earlier, my build videos don't get a lot of views, but it helps for whenever I'm trying to sell a piece. People can look back and say, okay, that's what it looked like to start with, that's what it looked like to finish. So I'm getting better, I think. I hope I am. But yes, again, we'll see you around. Also check out the red elm video. I'll probably post a red elm video first, and this will be the video after that. So 2 videos in one night after work. I'm happy. We'll see you.